Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today let's discuss about the copyrights and the word adoption. Okay, in previous classes we discussed about the transfer of the copyrights to a publisher, how the transfer happens, and if at all you can terminate the transfer, but the problem is you have to wait for 35 long years. So next topic we are having copyrights and the word adoption. Adoption is nothing but, for example, imagine you are writing a research article now on your project, whatever the project you have done in engineering. Also, you can do that. So you are writing a research article. While writing the research article, a few images you are already taken from the different papers. If you are directly copy pasting it, then you have to get the permission from the corresponding author or the publishers. If at all you don't get any permission, then you cannot use it in your paper. Okay, but there is another shortcut method is there. For example, you take that image, you modify that image. Okay, you use the Canva, or you use in the Photoshop, or you do some changes and you yourself create it. Okay, similar diagram with a few other other elements you can put. So that is called as recreating the image. So once you recreate the image, now you can use that without taking the copyright permission. But you have to mention this work is adapted, this images or this adapted from the so and so paper. That is one example. Another example, you are having the imagine you are a movie director and you are writing, you are making a movie, and when you are making a movie there are two things. The script has to be there, right? In some cases what happens, the script the entire movie story is based on some novel, or you can say some book which is written by someone which had become very famous earlier. So in the books, if you take the story from the books and you adopt that story and create your own movie by using the story elements, then that is called as adaptation. So copyrights and the word adaptation, let's discuss. So in the world of copyright, the word adaptation signifies the creation of similar work based on what? Contemporary work. That means you are recreating the already existing work. Okay, but there has to be some creation. Your side, there has to be something extra in that. Okay, recreation or the creation of the similar work. Okay. So now the Copyright Act defines the following actions as adoptions. The first thing is transformation of dramatic work into the non-dramatic work. If any dramatic work is there, that can be transferred into non-dramatic work. That is also called as adoption. You don't need to take the copyrights for this. Next, changing literary or artistic work into a drama. Okay, you can change the entire literary which is written as a story or something like that to, you can convert that into a drama. Next, rearrangement of the literary or dramatic work. Whatever the work was already there, now you are rearranging it. That itself is nothing but what? Recreating it. That is also called as comes as a, you can also call this kind of work as a adoption. Next, a depiction through pictures of a literary or dramatic work. Imagine there is something which is explained in a theory. Now you are depicting with the help of figures. You are making a figures to explain that. So that also is called as adoption. Now the making of the cinematograph film of a literary or a dramatic or a musical work. Same thing what we explained in the example. You are making a film from a literary. Literary is nothing but already the entire story is mentioned in the literary. Especially you are having novels and all. You can see in the beginning only in the description of the movies they will write this movie is done based on the so and so novel. So most of the fantasy movies of Hollywood you can find that. Okay, so that was about the copyright and the word adoption. Next topic, we are having the copyrights and the word Indian work, that we will discuss in the next class.